Given the function f of x equals 5x cubed minus x, find the symmetry of the function. Well, to answer this question, I have to know what f of negative x equals. If it equals f of x, it's symmetric with respect to the y-axis, and it's an even function. If it equals negative f of x, it's symmetric with respect to the origin, 0, 0, and it's an odd function. So let's evaluate f of negative x to answer the question. What is f of negative x? That'll tell us the symmetry. F of negative x is 5 times parenthesis negative x cubed minus parenthesis negative x, which simplifies to negative 5x cubed. Now, why is that true? Because if you raise a negative base to an odd power, you get a negative result. So I put the negative sign out in the front. The double negative now cancels and makes a positive x. So the simplified version, we can factor out a negative sign and get negative bracket 5x cubed minus x. That's factoring out a negative sign from both terms. So we've shown that f of negative x, when we simplified it, is equal to negative the original f of x. That implies that we have an odd function. The answer is an odd function, which implies it's symmetric with respect to the origin if we graphed it. In other words, it would not change if we rotated it 180 degrees. Next example, we're going to do the same thing for a different function. This time the function is f of x equals the absolute value of x plus 3. And we're asked to find the symmetry. Well, what is f of negative x? The same question. What is f of negative x? F of negative x equals the absolute value of, replace x with negative x plus 3. Now look, the absolute value of negative x is the same as the absolute value of x because the absolute value obliterates a negative sign. So we just showed that f of negative x is equal to f of x. And that implies our function is even, which means the symmetry is symmetric. Its graph is symmetric with respect to the y-axis. So it's all about evaluating f of negative x and analyzing what you get.